Hey, it's AJ. We're at OC Great Park today, and we have our little drone here today, taking it out for our first flight outdoors. We had a little accident indoors yesterday. Show you a little clip later on that. But this is our MAVIC Mini, as you can see. Here's a close-up of the MAVIC Minis by DJI. Ultra light, 249 grams. It's light enough where you don't need to register with the FAA, so that's pretty cool. So we're gonna fly this across the orange balloon here, signature to Orange County, and we'll check out the whole park and see how it is. Alright, so let's see how this flies today. Alright, we just finished our first flight. Got some really amazing shots of the whole park. So we'll be doing a travel series, hopefully with some of these really cool drone shots. Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you again.